Welcome to Healthcare Channel. Please subscribe and share this video to help others in this way. In fact, the number one cause of kidney disease is high blood sugar or diabetes. High blood pressure is the number two cause of kidney failure. Other things can worsen kidney health as well, including excessive use of pain medications like NSAIDs and nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Also, excessive alcohol consumption can be bad for your kidneys. Something as simple as dehydration can cause kidney failure as well. Being very dehydrated can actually lead to dialysis, and many people don't know that. There are many things you can do to help promote kidney health and to slow down the progression of kidney disease. Eating fruits is one of them because fruits can actually help to reduce the inflammation in your kidneys and help to cleanse your kidneys. Number 1. Cranberries. Cranberries are known for their high levels of antioxidants, particularly proanthocyanidins, which may help prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs. They contain compounds that may inhibit the adhesion of certain bacteria to the urinary tract walls, reducing the risk of infections. Number 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, specifically anthocyanins, which have been linked to various health benefits. Studies suggest that regular consumption of blueberries may help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially benefiting overall kidney health. Number 3. Apples. Apples are a good source of fiber, which can contribute to digestive health and may indirectly support kidney function. The antioxidants in apples, such as quercetin, may have anti-inflammatory properties. Number 4. Strawberries. Strawberries are high in vitamin C and manganese, providing essential nutrients for overall health. The antioxidants in strawberries may help combat oxidative stress, which can be beneficial for the kidneys. Number 5. Grapes. Grapes contain resveratrol, an antioxidant that has been studied for its potential anti-inflammatory and protective effects on the kidneys. The hydration provided by grapes can contribute to overall kidney function. Number 6. Watermelon. Watermelon has a high water content, promoting hydration, which is essential for kidney health. It contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may have protective effects on the kidneys. Number 7. Pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties that may contribute to kidney health. It is a good source of vitamin C, which supports the immune system. Number 8. Cherries. Cherries, particularly tart cherries, are rich in antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory effects. Some studies suggest that cherries may help reduce markers of kidney damage. Number 9. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, including punicalagins and anthocyanins, which may have protective effects on the kidneys. Studies indicate that pomegranate juice may help lower markers of kidney damage in certain conditions. Number 10. Red bell peppers. While not a fruit, red bell peppers are included for their high vitamin C content and low potassium levels, making them kidney-friendly. They add flavor and nutrients to meals without contributing excessive potassium. Number 11. Lemon. Lemons are often considered beneficial for kidney health due to several reasons. Citric acid content. Lemons are rich in citric acid, which can increase urine citrate levels. Citrate helps prevent kidney stones by binding to calcium and inhibiting its ability to form crystals. Hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for kidney health, and lemons can enhance the flavor of water, encouraging increased fluid intake. Vitamin C. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that may help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Alkalizing effect. Although lemons are acidic in nature, they have an alkalizing effect on the body once metabolized. Some believe that maintaining a slightly alkaline environment can be beneficial for kidney health. Anti-inflammatory properties. Compounds in lemons, such as flavonoids and limonoids, have anti-inflammatory properties that may contribute to overall kidney health. It's important to note that while lemons can be a healthy addition to your diet, relying solely on them for kidney health may not address all aspects of kidney function. A well-balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, and other nutrient-rich foods, along with adequate hydration, is key for maintaining optimal kidney health. Number 12. Number 12. Orange. Like many citrus fruits, can be a healthy addition to your diet and may offer some benefits for kidney health. Hydration. Oranges have a high water content, contributing to overall hydration. Proper hydration is essential for kidney function. Vitamin C. Oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that may help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Citric acid. Citrus fruits, including oranges, contain citric acid, which can increase urine citrate levels. This may help prevent the formation of certain types of kidney stones by inhibiting the crystallization of calcium. Alkalizing effect. Despite their acidic taste, oranges have an alkalizing effect on the body once metabolized. Some believe that maintaining a slightly alkaline environment can be beneficial for kidney health. Fiber content. Oranges are a good source of dietary fiber, which can contribute to digestive health. While not directly related to kidney function, overall digestive health can impact the body's ability to eliminate waste. It's important to note that while oranges can be a nutritious and hydrating fruit, they should be consumed as part of a well-balanced diet. Additionally, individual responses to foods can vary, so it's always advisable to consider your specific health conditions and consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice. If you have kidney concerns or are following a specific dietary plan for kidney health, it's crucial to seek guidance from a healthcare professional to ensure that your dietary choices align with your overall health goals.